Hello friends, today video is about controlled breathing. If you like my video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel for regular updates, and if you have any suggestion, put it in my comment box. The first exercise in our relaxation toolkit involves something we have all experienced at some point, that is shortness of breath during time of stress. When we are anxious or stressed, our breathing becomes very shallow. The breath we take isn't fully drawn into our lungs and is more contained in our chest. This brings us to our very first exercise of stress reduction. Deep breathing is also known as abdominal breathing, belly breathing, or diaphragmatic breathing. This technique consists of breathing through the belly and not the chest in a slower and deeper fashion. There are many physical benefits to these simple techniques. Deep breathing lowers your heart rate, lowers your blood pressure, increases your energy level, decreases your muscle tension and pain, improved sleep, and a more focused mind. Let's begin. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Begin by taking a deep breath in and a long relaxing breath out. The idea here is to achieve a slow and steady breath. Go and place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. If this feels comfortable for you, now try and keep your chest rather still and have your abdomen expand and contract as you deeply breathe. Some people find it helpful to count while they take their deep breath. For example, you may count like this: in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. This counting can help you with consistency. You can do this exercise daily if you have time to do it twice. So let's again do it. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. Now we will do it 1:2 ratio technique. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose in this technique. When you do count using number, any number you choose, it can be 2, 3, or 4, and that is the number you exhale. But with exhalation, that is, when you exhale out, the breath you exhale is double the number you have chosen to inhale. So you choose 4, so breath in for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to exhale out for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is why it is called 1:2 breathing technique. So let's begin. Before that, let's practice the equal part technique. Breath in the count of 4, breath out the count of 4. Let's do it for 3 times. After equal part, now you have to do it 1:2 ratio technique. This is inhalation. Now exhalation. You have to do it for 3 times. Now we have to proceed for another exercise for breathing, that is called box breathing or square breathing. This kind of, as it sounds, you have to use a little bit of imaginary with this. So even if you have to look at something that is a box, something that helps with your breathing technique, but it's really simple, and what you have to do is you are breathing in for 4 seconds. Imagine you are going up the square. Then you are going to hold your breath for 4 seconds. Then you are going to breath out for 4 seconds. And then you are going to hold your breath again for 4 seconds. So you are really just making the square with that of 4 seconds. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Breathing in, holding it, breathing out, and then holding it again. So this one, if you feel like you are going to pass out, don't keep holding your breath, but it is for 4 seconds, so it should be pretty doubled. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe my channel and comment in the comment box. Thanks and bye.